this out. This is a badass Jeep by Black Ops 4x4 in Temecula, California. It's got humongous tires, man. These things are huge. What is it, 1747? So these are what, I guess 47-inch tires. That's crazy. Huge, but it's not actually crazy lifted. They just remove the fenders so you can still keep the vehicle kind of low. There's got these rollers right here, so when the tires rub and flex, so I guess it maintains a low center of gravity. I actually saw this last year, but they probably did some changes to it. Got a worn winch. That's pretty slick. It's a badass hood. Air intakes. So and here's the thing, it's a chop top, so they chop the roof, split the window, so you can see that it's not very big. They chopped everything on this thing, so that is just cool, man.